Today, I was craving chicken nuggets. Well, I've been craving chicken nuggets all week, actually. And I finally found a McDonald's toast bar. And I'm eating my chicken nuggets on camera now. My cousin's here joining me. I'll feed him one. No. So, this video is just me talking to my cousin and eating my chicken nuggets. I don't know how long it'll last. So enjoy. I know I will. I'm gonna talk to him much. We really need to make a show or like a series of. Oh, and then at the end we'll have like a cliffhanger slash like something that'll like make everyone want to continue watching because it won't end like crazy, or it'll end crazy, and then we'll leave it so they don't know what's gonna happen next, and we'll like stop for like a year, and then come back.
And we'll say it's because of rat jelly.
Exactly. We should do that. Like just make a what's it called? When like they make a people movie out of like a cartoon or a book or something. Live
Oh,
um live there you go. Live action film of a stupid Squiddy comic. That's what we should do. But it's a stop.
yeah, that'd be like a year's worth of stuff into a compact movie.
We read like a year's worth of stuff in a day. In 3 days actually.
Yeah,
That was good.
6 hours each day.
And you were the gay guy. No, you were the lesbian chick and you were the gay guy. That was good. How many people would we need?
Okay, Maxim is Maxim. Let's see, there's the
Well,
bald guy that works at his warrior
hmm
guild.
there's what's the suit of armor guy?
Hector.
There you go. And there's Maximus' brother. There's the two girls.
Yeah, there's the brother works. That's the sister of the leader of the Thieves Guild.
Mm-hmm.
Who's gonna play Maxim's dummy? We need a stick.
Mm-hmm. We need Lucille, yeah. But how many people are like on screen at once? Like at a time?
Maybe like four,
If there's four, we
four or
could do
five.
like you, me, like Saida and Angie, since we're the ones who actually know about the thing. If we need anyone else, we could have like Tyler or Hoseda or something.
Um,
What about the blob thing? You know, the thing that like ate the whole world? Oh, did I tell you about my sunglass shooter of mine?
you're what?
I found the sunglasses that I'm wearing in this video. Um,
Glasses that you're wearing?
yeah, I found them when I was snorkeling. Like I found them underwater after looking at the shark. And I saw them and I reached for them. They were too deep. So I had to like dive down. So I was wearing a life jacket thing. So I was floating. I couldn't reach the sunglasses. So I had to like push myself down to like get them. And then they had like cool dragon on the side. I like them. I'm still kind of not used to them because sometimes I forget I'm wearing them. And I wonder why it's so dark all the time. But, whatever. I have my chicken nuggets now, so. Nothing to go back. Oh, I had a dream. Um,
Yeah.
you know I Love New York, right? Right? Hello?
Yeah.
Well, I Love New York, she was having a third season. And, um,
I love New York.
yeah. She was having a third season, and it was a whole bunch of people from, like, a whole bunch of reality shows. So, like, 12 Pack and oh wait, no, she was not with me. Well, a whole bunch of people from yeah, even like chicks from reality shows. So, a whole bunch of my friends were in it, like Kyle and Ari and Jonathan and stuff. So, and I didn't want to be in it. So, I asked New York
Groovy. Groovy.
if I could be like her assistant or something instead of that one guy that I don't remember his name. So I would go around and like be a spy. Not really a spy because everyone knew I was her assistant, but I just like get information about like everyone, and I had to
Yeah.
like promise to not be like biased and not like prefer my friends over everyone else. And then I would be the one who like eliminated the people. Like I'd go in a room with everyone, I'd like pick like 5 people who get eliminated, and then we'd go into another room in New York with Steve, you know, and I'd tell them, I'd tell her why, and she'd be like, okay, and it was pretty weird. Like the first 5 people eliminated were 3 chicks, like a dog or something, and then like
Groovy.
yeah, I know, and then because she was asking why, um, like why I eliminated each person. I said 3 chicks because she doesn't want a girl, she wants a guy. She's like okay. A dog because not even a person. And then there's a box, just a box with like a, a box with a picture on it, and she was like, I eliminated him because I didn't even know what to say. I eliminated him because not even a person or an animal. She's like, oh, okay, that makes sense. And they like, they all walked off. Even the box just like moved by itself away. It was pretty weird, but yeah.
Now, SpongeBob and one their boxing.
Oh yeah. It was no, it was like, well, yeah, it was like that, but the boxes were bigger, like the size of as tall as me, and
Wow.
it had like just a picture on it though, a picture of I don't remember what it was, like a logo or something. Oh crap, the video's already 9.5 minutes long, so I have 20 seconds left. What should I do in my last 20 seconds?
Fart.
No, I can't fire on command.
Number three.
You're stupid. I have 10 seconds left. Here's my second chicken nugget box. Oh no, the Okay,